In this video, you'll learn how to run the advanced memory test using Lenovo XClarity Essentials OneCLI. Intel platform AMT runs memory tests and performs repairs during UEFI posts on Intel Xeon-based ThinkSystem servers, using configurations loaded directly from the XClarity controller. Open a command prompt with administrator privileges. Navigate to the folder where you extracted OneCLI. To check that the post watchdog timer is set to disabled, run the OneCLI config show command with the setting name to display the current configuration. Use the B parameter to specify the target server's BMC access details as shown on the screen. If it is enabled, run the OneCLI config set command to disable it. To enable the advanced memory test, run the OneCLI config set command to set the memory.memory test option to enable and set the IMM.UEFI memory test value to repair. This will run the test and repair any failing memory rows. Optionally set the AMT test policy to always if you want the test to run on every reboot. If no policy is set, the default is a single execution. Lenovo recommends running AMT at least once every 6 months. Manually restart the server. During late post, UEFI activates AMT and automatically restarts the system. Once restarted, the advanced memory test will run. When the test completes, UEFI saves the results in the XCC service data as a proprietary TZZ file, viewable only with Lenovo support's specialized tools.